What is up, YouTube? It is your girl Jay, and welcome back to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And oh, here goes the nails. This video is around Christmas time when I recorded this, but right now I am going to be sectioning off the pieces that I want to dye. I did not want the whole perimeter of my head blonde. I just wanted the streaks in the front. In the front of my middle part. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just taking those two pieces on each side and trying to get them as even as possible so that I won't have two different size gold patches in the front of my head. Then I'm going to section them off and pull the other hair to the back so that I won't have any random pieces of blonde hair, because I'm not used to doing this. So I'm not a hairstylist, so do not judge me for the way I dye this, you guys. I just wanted to show you how I do it. This is very beginner friendly. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. So here I'll be showing you guys that I use 20 volume developer. For this, I did not want to use 40 or anything brighter because I did not want platinum blonde. And here's the bleach that I used. I think I used about 1.5 scoops, and that was way too much bleach, you guys. You don't need that much, but that just comes with practice, I guess. So now I am taking the aluminum foil that I'm going to be wrapping the hair with. You know, aluminum foil heats up the process. Speeds up the process for the hair to take to the color faster. So I'm just going to lay this piece on there. Plus it gives me a foundation so where I can lay the hair on there and not just hold it in my hand. I should have had gloves on, you guys, because I actually had a cut on my finger that ended up burning. But I went all the way up to the root with this. I didn't want for it to have like that little peak of brown. I wanted the whole piece to be blonde. So you'll see soon. I'm going to stop talking in a second, but you'll see that on both sides I go all the way up. So there will be no brown left. So here you can see that I've already washed the bleach out. I left the bleach on for about 30 minutes. The hair was under my ring light, so it was taking pretty fast. It might have actually been 20 minutes, but I did not want to go super, super bright, so I was just playing it safe. Right here you can see that I'm plucking the part. I'm plucking the frontal. I will be leaving the hair link in the bio so that you guys can purchase this hair if you want to. This was a 16-inch wig that I made into a bob, which you'll see later in the video. sorry, you guys. I had to get that right off camera. This is only my second time doing a frontal, and I definitely need more work. So because it's going to be in my head, I couldn't play. So I will be more in depth the more I do hair videos. But let me know what you guys think. I cut the mannequin head like to perfection, but of course when I put it on my head, it looks pretty butchered in the back. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is what it is. You get what you give. It's a learning experience when you're trying to do your own hair. I didn't know what else to do with this wig anyway. So if you do hair, give me some constructive criticism in the comments. If you like this video, if you would like to see more hair videos from me, let me know in the comments as well. And if you are new here, before 2020 gets here, I am going to need you to subscribe. Like right now. Yes, if you're new here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. J-Base, thank you for sticking with me, and you know what to do. Stay true and stay you. Ooh. 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 Hey. Say hi.